Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class and we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, verbs. Now as you all know children, I have explained you this chapter 2-3 times and I have started with the book exercise also. If there is any problem, so you can write me in the comment box and you can ask your questions. And before that children, I want to know that I hope you all have completed your book exercises which I gave you till yesterday. Those who have not completed, please make sure that you complete it on time so that it will be very easy for you all to understand. Clear? Now coming to today's video. Today we are going to do the last 2 exercises of the book which were left yesterday. So today for doing those exercises, you have to first of all take out your basic English grammar and composition book and then please turn to page number 18. Is that clear? Now on page number 18 you can see that we have completed till B exercise yesterday and now we have to complete our C and D exercise today. Okay. After that our book exercise will be completed and from tomorrow we will be starting with our notebook work. Okay, we will start with our notebook exercise. Now coming to C part. Children, please listen to it very carefully because it is very important exercise. In this exercise you will come to know about the sounds of animals. Okay, which animals makes what kind of sounds. Okay, so with this in this exercise you will learn about 2 things, verbs and sounds of animals. Is that clear? So make sure that you listen to this video very carefully and make sure also that you understand it very nicely. Is that clear? Now starting with our today's exercise children, as you all know that it is given in third part, C part, all animals make sounds, match the animals with their correct sounds. Is that clear? Now on side A, animals, names of animals are written. There are 12 names of animals. Okay, and on the second side sounds of animals are given. There are also 12 sounds. Okay, now we have to match with lines with the help of a scale. Okay, we have to match the side A, the names of animals, with their sounds which are given on side B. Is that clear? So we have to match these columns. Now first of all, as you can see, the first word is of the first animal. The name of animal is given a duck. Now what is the sound of a duck children? Duck quacks. Is that clear? So in this it is written in front of this duck only. The sound of duck is written in front of it. So it is very easy to match. What we will do? We will draw a line like this. Okay, a duck quacks. Now coming to the second part, that is a horse. Okay, as you all know, a horse always neighs. Okay, so neighs is given on E part. Okay, so we will draw a line from a horse to neighs. Is that clear? Now coming to the third animal, that is a crow. Now a crow always cows. Okay, crow cows. It says like cow na. So children, according to this, a crow cows. So we will draw a line from a crow, okay, to cows. That is written on I part. Okay, this. Is that clear? Now coming to the fourth animal, a snake. Now what does a snake do? Which sound a snake makes? It makes a sound of hiss. Okay, a snake hisses. So hisses is written on B part. So we will draw a line from a snake to part B, that is hisses on the second side. Is that clear? This is the way how you will join the animals with their sounds. Is that clear? Now coming to the fifth one, a frog. Okay, now what does a frog do? It croaks. Okay, so it is written on C part. So we will draw a line from a frog to croaks. Clear? Now coming to the sixth animal, that is a lion. And you all know that a lion roars. So we will draw a line from a lion to F part, that is roars. Okay, now coming to the seventh animal, a cat. As you all know, a cat mews. So we will draw a line from a cat to H, that is mews. Is that clear? Now coming to the next animal, name of animal, that is a bird. And you all know that a bird chirps, and chirps is written on D part. Is that clear? So we will draw a straight line from a bird to part D, that is chirps. Clear? Now a bee, ninth animal is written here, a bee. Now as you all know, bee क्या करता है? Buzz. Okay. ऐसी आवाज आती है. So that means a bee buzzes, and the word buzzes is written on G part. So we will draw a line from a bee to buzzes, which is written on G part. Is that clear? So this is the way how we will match these animals with their sounds. Now 10th is a cock. As you all know, a cock crows. So you will put a line, draw a line from a cock to crows, which is written in the last L part. A sheep, which is given on 11th point. Okay, a sheep bleats. So it is written here. So we will draw a line to make out that a sheep bleats. Is that clear? Now coming to the last, a wolf howls. So we will put a line, we will draw a line from a wolf to house. Is that clear, children? So I hope this exercise is very clear to you all. Once again, I am repeating this exercise so that you will not get confused. Okay, as you all know that a duck quacks, a horse neighs, a crow caws, a snake hisses, a frog croaks, a lion roars, a cat meows, a bird chirps, a bee buzzes, a cock crows, a sheep bleats, and the last, a wolf howls. Is that clear? So I hope this C exercise is clear to you all, children. Now coming to the last book exercise, that is the D part. Now, in this exercise, children, there are 18 words given to you in the help box. Okay? Total number of words given in the help box are 18. And on page number 18 plus 19, there are 18 pictures given. Okay? As you can see. So, what we have to do is, in this exercise, we have to look at the picture. And then we have to make out that what in this picture what a person or an animal is doing. Okay, now as you can see in the first picture, there is a man sitting inside a car and driving. So what is the word, what is the verb that we will use for this picture? Driving, which is given here. So it is done for you only. Okay, first one is done for you, that in this picture it is shown that the person is driving a car. Clear? Now coming to the second picture, as you can see in this picture, children, okay, what you can see in this picture, what are you able to see in this picture? A girl is painting something. She's painting a scenery. So is there what is the word here for this picture? Painting. It is written here. Okay, so from here we will copy down the word painting. P-A-I-N-T-A-I-N-G. Painting. Sorry, A will not come here. P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G. Painting. Is that clear? Now, coming to the third picture, that is, there is a boy sitting and he is reading a book. So what is he doing? Reading. So is there any word here given as reading here? Yes, it is written here. So we will write the word reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. Clear? Now, the fourth picture. In this picture, you can see there are some birds. Okay, there are birds and they are flying, but as you can see, instead of flying, they in this help box, the word chirping is written. That means this is a sound used for the birds. As we have done this thing in the previous exercise, animal sounds. So in that also we matched the name of a bird with chirps. Okay, so in this we will write chirping. Okay, because flying is not written here, so we can't write. Chirping is written, so it is also correct because birds chirp. So CHIRPING, chirping. Clear? Now coming to the fifth word. In this, as you can see, the boy is sitting on a horse, and when we sit on a horse, what we do? Horse ride. So as you can see in this help box, riding word is given. So we can write here riding. RIDING, riding. Clear? Now coming to the sixth word, very easy. A boy is inside the water and he's swimming. So what we will write? Swimming. And you can see the word swimming is also given here in your help box. So we will write swimming here. Okay. SWIMMING, swimming. Clear? Now in the seventh picture, you can see the child is sleeping. Okay, and in your help box also the word sleeping is written here. So we can write it here as sleeping. The boy is sleeping. SLEEPING, sleeping. Now in this picture you can see that this is a soldier and who is shooting through his gun. Okay, so what is he doing? Shooting. And we will see in the help box the word shooting is given. Yes, it is given here. Okay, so what we will do? We will write the word shooting here. SHOOTING, shooting. Clear? Now coming to the ninth word, that is ninth picture. In this picture, what you can see? The girl is brushing her teeth. Okay, so what is she doing? Brushing. So as you can see in the help box also, the word brushing is written here. So we will write it BRUSHING, brushing. Clear? Now in the 10th picture you can see there is a boy who is watching television. So what is he doing? Watching. And in the help box also it is written watching. So here what we will write? WATCHING, watching. Now coming to the 11th picture, here you can see there is a man who is sitting on the sofa. Okay, now what is this man doing? He is sitting. So as you can see in this help box, the word sitting is also written here. So we are correct and we will write here SITTING, sitting. Clear to you all children? Now coming to the next. In this picture you can see a girl is writing something because she is having a pen or a pencil in her hand. Okay, so what is she doing? She is writing. And as you can see in the help box, the word writing is given here. So what you will do? You will write WRITING, writing. Clear? Now as you can see in this 13th picture, the boy is standing and opening the door. Now what is he doing? Opening the door. Opening is the verb. Now in this help box, the word opening is also written. So that means we are correct. And we will write here OPENING, opening. Clear? Now on the 14th picture you can see that there are two boys sitting and they are having their meals. They are eating. Okay, what they are doing? They are eating their food. So as you can see in the help box, the word eating is given. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so we can write here EATING, eating. Clear to you all? Now in the 15th picture you can see there is a boy who is running. Okay, so we have to check if the running word is written in our help box. Yes, it is given. It is here. So that means we are correct. We can write here running, running. Clear? Now in this picture you can make out that this boy is jumping. Okay, so we can see in our help box the word jumping is written here. Okay, so we will write jumping here also. Jumping, jumping. Clear to you all, children? Now coming to the next 17th picture, second last picture. What are these two boys doing? They are playing carom board. Now what they are doing? Playing. Okay, they are playing carom. Okay, so what are they doing? They are playing. So the word playing is also given in our help box. So we will write here playing, Playing, playing. Clear to you all, children? Now coming to the last picture, that is the 18th picture. There are two men standing and they are talking. And in our help box also last word is given, talking. So what we will do? We will write here Talking, talking. Is that clear to you all, children? So I hope this exercise is very clear to you all, children. Very easy exercise. Everything is written in the help box. But only what you have to do, you have to recognize the picture. And from that picture you can make out that what suitable word will be written for that picture. Okay. So it is very easy, children. Make sure that you complete this work by today itself, as it is very easy and it is very interesting also. So please make sure, children, you complete the C and D exercise by today itself. And then from tomorrow we are going to start the verbs chapter in our notebooks. Okay, we will do it in our notebooks also. So be prepared with your notebooks tomorrow. And before that, please make sure that you complete this work. Is that clear, children? Now till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.